Alrighty guys, here it is. Take one last look at it. I've been given the final warning. Get this thing out of here. Now, here's the deal. So, y'all know this is my old PT Cruiser, one my daughter used to drive. The thing is, guys, it's I would still be driving it occasionally. It's too small for me. I need some room where I can store junk. But it overheats, and I have never interested in taking the head off and doing all the necessary things to get it. This is the one I used to rent out, so I think one of the customers, you know, when it ain't your car, you just mistreat things. You just keep driving whether it's overheating or not. It ain't mine. So, and my daughter used to own it, so yeah, it's to the point where I don't care. Just let it go. I dogged it out anyway. But yeah, so what I'm about to do, I sold it. Guess who to who? Pull apart. So it's going to a nice home where somebody could part out. Now, they're not going to get the good parts. For instance, this PCM, yeah, that's coming with me. I've already had to steal some parts out of it for customer cars. Guys, you'd be surprised how many times you got to come out here and grab parts for a customer car that you don't have and can't get, or you screwed up and misdiagnosed. Yes, that happens to even certified mechanics. Okay, if somebody tell you they don't do that, they freaking lying. Well, anyway, but I can easily go grab the parts that I needed off of here and get it back going. I can easily get this going, and this is what I'm trying to say. But I have no plans for it. And we just got the hammer down. That truck right there got to go down. It's been on the flat. My Nissan truck in there, it's been there for decades. I got to get it out of here. So what I'm about to do is clean all my, I started using it for a storage bin. Yeah, this PCM coming with me. I'm going to get all my stuff out of here, pull apart. Guess what all they gave me? You know when I called them, they first told me, we give you $180 for it. I was like, oh, hell no, I give it away. The car runs, it just overheats, so you don't want to give somebody a problem. All right, then they be on your back forever. And I finally talked them up to $280. The last PT Cruiser I sold to pull apart, they gave me $400 for. It wasn't running. At least this one running. Now they got all the information. I have to show proof of ownership. I can't find a title, but I do have a registration with my name on it. I'm gonna bolt all this stuff back up so they look presentable. He coming with a tow truck to get it. It's supposed to come this morning, so let me get to work. Now he did. Let me tell you what he asked me. Is the car equipped with everything it came with? For instance, the cat converter. Yeah, they very interested to know if the cat converter's still on here. I said, I haven't taken it off. Is the battery still in here? So everything that they can make money off of, they interested. They want to know if it's still in the car. Well, that damn computer will not be here. So I'm about to get there. I'll put a dummy computer right there if I have to, but you never know when I might get a 2010 PT Cruiser in here and it has a PCM problem. And I ain't sure. I can easily grab this out of my cabinet, plug it into their car, and boom, see if they fix it. Yeah, it's called test parts. I'm using that for test parts. But he coming and he go over. Last time this guy went over everything to make sure I wasn't lying. But the amount they're gonna give me is $280. I got the registration. I gotta have my license. I got all of that. So they're gonna take a picture and take it away. All right, let me clean out some more of my personal belongings. It's been real. It's on flat. I'm gonna put some air in it. I got my air tank. Yes, it's been real. The PT journey is over. Anybody that still owns these things is they must really love them. Okay, but it's costing too much, especially when you get an overheat concern. Guys, stop chasing your feathers with overheat. Stop taking these heads off, just putting head gaskets on here. That's not your problem. Okay, that's an soft ass aluminum head that will warp. Ooh, I might get this cam sensor on here. That's not brand new, but it's good. Anyway, I'll figure something out. But guys, let me strip this thing down to get all what I'm gonna get off of it. And we'll go from there. Let's get it. Alrighty guys, I just got the call, just got the word. The damn pull apart driver is on the way. He's en route, so it should take him about 10 minutes to get here. Oh damn, I gotta get my license plate off of here. Alright, so it's been real. PT Cruiser, Peter, PT Lover. I can't do it, dog. I have to let it go. It's overheating. I don't feel like messing with no head gaskets and no head and none of that. So all we had to do was wash it up. It would have been a good ass car for somebody. But look, I'm letting the wheels go because he said everything needs to be original on it. Like I say, they want to make sure the cat converter on it. They want to make sure they can make some money off of it. And best believe I done went through all this stuff. You know how much money, loose change I have found? Got to be at least $20 worth of loose quarters and dimes and nickels. It turned into a work car. At that point, I didn't care how clean it was. So, you know, it wasn't an everyday drive. It was a hoarder car where I hoard most of my parts. Yeah, a bunch of junk. So I got all my computers. I got a spare computer. Look, I can't even get that tie out. You know what? I might try to get that out and save that. Yeah. So he on his way, guys. Y'all stay tuned, man. I'll fire it up when he get here. We're gonna go through the transactions, and that's gonna be it. Next, I gotta find out what to do with my damn truck, my Nissan truck over there. Y'all stay tuned. Well, it's been real. So long, PT Cruiser. You've given me a decade of services. Now I must depart from you. Gotta let you go. I'm gonna miss this thing. You got good gas mileage out there. The bumper was coming apart. This guy from Pull Apart, so I guess he just going around collecting cars. Look at that. Look at that. I'm glad I'm filming. Look what truck they use. All this power. It's a Ram 5500. Yeah. If he got any problems, I can fix them up right now. All right, guys. Enough clowning around. Let me say one last goodbye. Ram. Dodge, baby. Dodge rules. Look at this piece of junk car here. All right. JT, stop clowning around. Goodbye. Let me give you a picture in here. Gotta let it go. Y'all know I'm Master Tech, so I really shouldn't be riding around a PT Cruiser. However, that's a wrap, baby. It's been real. That's all I can say, man. Hey. Man, I got work to do. Goodbye. It makes me want to cry. It's been real. I hate to see you go, but I don't feel like doing no damn head gaskets. Oh, look how he just manhandling my car. Oh my God, no, I'm mistaken. Goodbye, PT Cruiser. I love you. Oh my goodness, this is painful to watch. So long. I gotta go, guys.